Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Sezane haul today. Today I'm going to be sharing my spring picks, which I'm really excited to talk about. I know that there are some not great things happening out in the world right now, and it feels a little silly to be talking about fashion, especially when I've spent a lot of my days recently hunkered down in my apartment wearing pajama pants. But I still want to share this and provide hopefully a little bit of lighthearted entertainment for you if you are also stuck at home and are looking for things to do. So I hope that you enjoy, and I'm just gonna jump right into the haul. So the first item that I want to share with you guys today is the Lil One Shirt, and I actually don't have this one still to present to you. I did end up returning this one. The reason behind that was because even though it was really beautiful, I loved the details, I found that it was a little bit overwhelming on my figure. You can see in my try-on clip, the sleeves are a lot poofier than I was expecting, and they kind of made my whole shoulder area look a lot bigger. Even though the waist area of the shirt was quite slim, I just couldn't really find a way to feel comfortable wearing those sleeves. They were kind of getting in the way. I think another big part of this was the material of the top. If it was a more cotton-based top, this one had a lot of synthetic fibers in it. If it was 100% cotton, I think the sleeves would have laid a lot better and wouldn't have been as overwhelming and poofy on me. That's one thing I took note of in determining if I was going to keep the shirt or not. Another thing was I only had one outfit idea for how I was going to wear it, which unfortunately, if there's only one way that I can wear a top, it's not really worth it to me to keep it around. I want to be able to have a lot of flexibility within my wardrobe, and there isn't much of a point of keeping one thing that only goes with an outfit for me. It was the first item that caught my eye when I was pre-shopping, getting prepared for the Sunday drop. I unfortunately had to return it. It was probably the biggest disappointment in my whole order just because I was so excited about it, and it just really wasn't for me, unfortunately. But I'm glad that I sent it back, and hopefully somebody who missed out on it, because it did sell out, hopefully they are able to scoop it up. The next item I picked out was the Anne shirt. Now this is under their essentials section, so this wasn't a spring specific item, but I have had my eye on it for a while, and I thought with the upcoming months, this would be a nice lightweight silk shirt that I could wear for some of my more business related events. And it is so beautiful, incredibly lightweight, and I really love the subtle polka dot detailing and sheen to the shirt. It is not staticky at all. I have mentioned in past videos that sometimes I purchase some silk shirts from Sezane and have experienced some static problems, but this one is perfect. I can tell that they really thought about the fit of the shirt. I really like where the sleeves hit on me, and it doesn't pull or anything in any weird places. I also really love the button details. Of course, they always have these fabric covered buttons. I love the way that this can be styled, because even though this is a dressier shirt, I think it can be styled quite casually still in certain situations. You'll see that I've paired it with a pair of high-waisted wide leg jeans and my Converse, and I threw on my trench coat to dress it up a little bit, and I really like the subtle, casual, but still nice vibes that that outfit gives. But I've also paired it with a nice pair of trousers, so you can see how that it translates into a more business-friendly outfit. So overall, it's just a really nice basic shirt, and I am thinking of different ways that I could style this. I don't wear a lot of button-down shirts, so I am taking that into consideration when thinking about whether or not I would like to keep this piece. The next top that I want to talk about is the Forta blouse. I was also really excited for this one. I loved the big ruffles overlaid over this kind of tank style. I thought it was really beautiful. And I also really loved the chambray clip dot detail. You can see this is actually woven into the shirt by looking underneath here. So lots of really beautiful details, and I also was really attracted to the beautiful buttons down the back. I found this really flattering when I tried it on. I'm not sure I'm 100% sold on this shirt either. It feels really big on me and adds a lot of volume to my upper half, which once again, as a petite, can be quite overwhelming. I really need something that shows off my figure a little bit more to balance me out because I am shorter. So something that is super wide and super voluminous kind of ends up making me look like I'm drowning in the shirt. So I'm still thinking about this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this, but I really do like the way that I styled it. It looks like summer to me, especially the way that I styled it with a little woven bag and my little sandals. I think it looks so breezy. It's also a really nice cotton and linen blend, so it truly is a breathable, nice material that is made for summer. So I definitely will consider this one. I don't know if I will keep this one yet. The next item that I picked out was the Annette Jumper, and I really love this item. I think the fit is gorgeous. You can wear this either with a V in the front or in the back. Once again, like the sweater I have on, actually, it has the same kind of function. You'll notice that the bottom here feels a little shorter, which I like a lot because it's much easier for me to tuck into high-waisted pants. The sleeves also have a really nice balloon detail, and the details of the knit are also very nice. There's these little baubles all along the fabric. I really like the gold rimmed buttons on this one, and I like that it is 100% cotton. I think this is essential for spring for me because it is incredibly comfortable and lightweight, but during the time frame of April and May and even into early June, when some days can still be in the mid 50s to low 60s, this is the perfect layering option. I wore it with a bralette in the try-on portion, so you can see skin peeking through in some places. I think that if I were to wear this in a more professional setting, like if I were to wear it to work, I would definitely layer a cami underneath it or even a t-shirt. I also have the flexibility to wear it open like a cardigan, and then I could truly show off something underneath it if I was wearing a really nice detailed cami or something. So overall, I really like this one, and I definitely am considering keeping this in my collection. The next piece that I want to talk about is the Gaby Blouse. This was one of the first pieces to sell out at launch, and I was lucky to get my hands on it because it is just the most beautiful embroidered navy and white top. You'll see all of these little flowers along it are fully embroidered into the top, and I think it is definitely well worth the price point on this one. One thing about it though is because it sold out so fast, I did have to get a size 4. I'm typically a 2 in Sezane, so I was a little bit worried that it was gonna fit quite big, especially because they left the note on their site that this item runs large to begin with, but I wanted to give it a try and just see how it looked. When it was modeled on the site, however, it was only modeled this way. I'll insert the picture that they used, but it was only modeled from the side, so you couldn't really see this one major detail of the shirt, and that is how puffy the sleeves are at the shoulders. It kind of overwhelms me once again a little bit with the puffy sleeves. I kind of look a little bit like a football player when I have this on. It's just way too big on me, which is really disappointing because I do really love the colors and I love the intricate detailing of this top, but I really just don't think this one is gonna work out for me because of this puffy shoulder detail, and also because I did end up buying a size up, which was a little bit of my own fault, but I did still want to see it in person and try it on. So unfortunately not for me, and I definitely think I will be sending this one back. So hopefully someone else who is a true size 4, who is really looking forward to this blouse, will be able to scoop it up. These are the Reuben Pants. These are a new spring item from Sezane. And these are beautiful pants. They come in this deep navy color, but they also come in a cream kind of white as well. And they have really, really beautiful button details down the front here. I really like the weight of the fabric. They feel very, very sturdy and expensive and nice. I think these are definitely going to be the perfect work pant for me. One thing about them that I knew when I was buying was that they were going to be too long for me, and they definitely are. The inseam on the site, I believe, lists them as a 33-inch inseam, and I'm usually somewhere around like a 26 to 27-inch inseam, so I will definitely have to take these to a tailor if I decide to keep them around. But I think with how beautiful they are and how I've been looking for such a nice pair of navy pants for a long time, and I think I finally stumbled upon them. I think it'll definitely be worth it to get them hemmed and to keep them in my wardrobe. The final piece in my order was the Shanna Blouse. I picked it out initially because it was paired with the Reuben Pants in one of their photos, and they just looked so good together. I loved the combination of the navy on navy and the monochromatic look on the model. She did pair it with a pair of light tan loafers, and I liked how that added a little pop of brightness to the overall look. It is quite sheer, so in the try-on portion, I have paired it with a navy bodysuit underneath, and I really like how it looks with this shirt. I think it looks very polished and still professional at the same time. I think this will be a really great outfit for work overall, and I definitely will be keeping this one. So I've done a little thinking here for a little while, and I've decided to keep 3 items from my haul. First, starting out with the Annette Jumper. I kind of cheated on this one because I already took off the tags and wore this the other day, but I just think this is gonna be such a practical item for spring, and it's gonna fit into my wardrobe so well. I really love how comfortable this item is, and I also think it looks really beautiful and detailed at the same time. So this will definitely fit into my wardrobe quite well. The second item I decided to keep is the Shanna Blouse. This is such a beautiful item, and I love the way that it fits me. I also can see this one translating really well from early spring here into late fall. I probably won't wear it too much over the summer, but I definitely think it has the versatility of being a really good fall top as well as a early spring top. So I think this is a good choice, and I do wear a lot of blue, a lot of navy, and I definitely think it'll fit well into my wardrobe. I don't think I'll always have to wear it with nice pants either. I definitely think this would look great with jeans and would be a really good going out date night top as well as a work shirt. The final item that I have decided to keep is the Reuben Pant. These have really impressed me. I really like the material on these, and I think that these will be my go-to straight leg pant for work. I do have to take them to a tailor, and that probably won't get done given the state of everything for a little while here, but that's okay. I'm willing to hold out and keep them in my wardrobe. Like the Shanna Blouse, I think they will be a great staple for not only this time frame of early spring, but I think they will translate really well into the fall and the winter. So they're just a really practical item for me to keep for my year-round wardrobe. So that is the end of my Sezane spring haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I definitely picked out a lot of blue and white items this time around, but it's very fitting because I wear those colors a lot. So I think they'll fit great into my wardrobe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!